Have you all heard about this federal rules change affecting hunting on Alaska preserves in Alaska? Basically, it's BLM and native land transfer. Basically, it is the continued transfer of BLM lands to Alaska Native corporations. And there's much more to it than that. And by the way, I'm going to be going over this topic on Tuesday in my Elite Hunter Strategy group. If you want to get into it, and we're going to break this whole thing down and how it's going to affect you as a hunter, as a non-resident, and even if you're a resident, this affects all of you. Some of it's really good, and more of it is not so good. And it's been going on a long time, but there is some light at the end of this tunnel talking about there's regulations in place. They're going to try to put regulations in place to where it gives more authority back to the state, Alaska Department of Fish and Game, regarding federal preserves in Alaska. And it says right here, several new federal actions and laws affecting hunting on BLM land and Alaska Native land is going to be going over that. So none of them are really rewriting any of the Alaska hunting laws or rules and regulations, but several affect land access and restrictions in land ownership. This has been a problem for as long as I've been in Alaska, between Alaska state and then Alaska federal in regards to native access use. It's been a really weird deal, and you don't quite know where you're at. Anyhow, I've experienced this. I've had to get permits to cross over on native land to get into actual federal or state legal hunting grounds, and it could be a bugger. So want to go over that. I know I've been asked a lot of these questions already. I've got people in my training courses asking about it, and I thought, well, I'm just going to come out and ask you what you all know about it. If you know what's going on here as well, you can comment down in the sections. It might help anybody out with questions. It's not gone into law yet, but it says if finalized, it would return authority to Alaska Department of Fish and Game Services, and it will reduce federal restrictions imposed by national parks. That's a big deal. And there's several other bullets on the agenda, and one of them is talking about Doyon Native Corporation and basically the Dalton Highway. That looks like to be a real good one, to where they will open up roads that go out into the interior. It's a lot of it's because of mining operations and stuff. But how does that affect you as a hunter? And I believe it's going to be in a positive way as well. So I like two really good things from this, what's coming out of here. And it's always good when you get more access, roads being built, puts you out into the tundra more for hunting access. And the other one is taking regulations away from the federal preserves and putting them right back to where they began, right where they need to be, and that's with the Department of Fish and Game. They're the best at it. That's what they're for, and they're the ones that should be policing everything. I don't care if it's federal or state, whatever. Let's get everything back to Alaska Department of Fish and Game to where it needs to be, and I can't wait to go over it with you guys this Tuesday, 6 p.m. Central Mountain Time. Elite Hunter Strategy Group. The link, if you want to join, is going to be down below in the comments, and maybe even up in the description, depending if you're watching this on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. I don't really do much with Instagram, X, or anything else, so you're going to find what you need on my YouTube channels and Facebook channels with the link. Get into the link, see if it resonates with you, if it's something you want to do. We've got over 28 episodes in there now to binge watch, but this one's going to be a doozy. Everyone's asking about it. It's about the BLM, the new BLM rules and regulation changes for this upcoming year. Stay tuned, fingers crossed. You don't want to miss this one. I've got it broken down already, and it's pretty darn good. Even I'm going, wow. I'll see you all there. Take care. God bless.